Lucy, get inside.
But Daddy, I don't want to come inside.
Damn it, Lucy, get inside.
Daddy? 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 Daddy?
What the hell? What did you break?
Nothing, it's fine.
I hope so.
Hey guys.
Hey Lou.
What's up?
Not much. I have to do my Spanish homework. What have you been up to? I haven't seen you in forever.
I've just been busy with some stuff.
Cool.
Okay, so oh my god, you heard about Tom's party last time, right? So apparently his parents got really drunk and jumped in the pool with all their clothes on. So embarrassing. I feel so bad for him sometimes.
I heard all about that. So Lou, you want to ride home after school?
Yeah, sure. I know. Sweet, did you just get your license?
Yeah, just a little bit ago.
Wow, Lou, I haven't been to your house in such a long time. Not since your mom's.
Yeah, I mean, I miss this old house. It's been a long time. Seems like things have changed.
Really? I'm fine.
Really? You know you can always talk to us. You've been really distant. I'm worried about you.
Yeah, and I heard your dad wasn't feeling very well. You would tell us, right? You don't always have to be so strong.
It's fine, I'm fine. We're fine, I gotta go.
Hey, Lou.
Bye.
Hey? Yeah, hey, what's up? Yeah, no, I'll still go. Yeah, Tom's party, right? Okay. No, you'll pick me up at 10? Sounds good. See you then. to go to the bathroom, guys. Be right back.
Oh yeah, sure. But no, I
Dan and Lucy, get inside.
Not at all. This is
This is great. What?
Wow, that was quick. Okay, so anyways, want some? So it's